Oh no, 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 no. Yeah. Oh no, 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 no.
Hey guys, it's Shamar and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here. I guess you guys could tell.
Trying to be in the camera so bad, this toy.
I guess you guys can tell from the title of this video, it's going to be a back to school dorm shopping video. My sister is going back to college. She is a sophomore.
I'm starting school Monday and I'm going back to college.
Tavares, this is not about you for real.
My second bachelor's.
Gosh. Anyway, so my sister is a student at UCF in Central Florida. So we are doing some dorm shopping for her. So I just pulled up to the outlet and we came to 5 and Below. This is the first stop because everything is $5 and below. So we thought we'll get majority of the stuff here and then go to like Ross, TJ Maxx and get the rest of the stuff. So I figured I'd take you guys along, so let's go.
I want one of these because I want to do meal prep, but I don't know.
So Tori want meal prep.
Small.
They are small. These are for like condiments, sauces and stuff like that.
No,
you could get these in the dollar store.
These are for nuts and like.
Yeah.
Nuts
like you want to cut up apples and stuff.
Should I get
in your college dorm? So this is $5. I think this is a good essential thing. Next thing that I think would be really beneficial is these storage bins. Tori, what about these? Do you need any of these?
Yes.
These are $5 for one. Do you think we could find them cheaper anywhere else for one?
Don't these come in packs? Aren't these? There's 2 in 1.
Okay. So yeah, you could get a 2-pack, I guess.
But this one, I only blew them up.
You wouldn't want the pink one? No, that's something different, Tori.
Yeah.
This is a shelf organizer.
Look on the other side.
They had these little baskets too.
Let me go put it
I don't know what you could use with them, but when we get our apartment, I'll probably get one of these to put stuff in. Then I go over here, and I wanted to show you guys some more stuff. They have these pictures, or these canvases, that you could put up on your wall. And these are also $5.
Oh, remember I wanted a throw, but I don't see a blush pink one.
They have these more storage bins. They have some pillows. California, LA. It says Tokyo, Japan. And then New York, Soho. This is cute. If you're doing like a New York theme, so cute. They also have these little, I don't even know what those are called, but they look like footstools. Yeah, that's what they are. Those are really cute. Tori, there's a throw right there, but it's kind of ugly. Look at this pillow. You don't like that?
This pillow look nice.
Yeah, I like that pillow.
And it's soft.
Cuddle weather. This is cute too.
Okay, which one is better?
They're both $5. Grandma, which one you like? Which one you like? My grandma is also here with us.
Which one of them pillow, yeah? That one, yeah? No, look at it.
Them two, yeah, grandma. Which one?
Why do you like this one? I like that one, yeah.
All right, Tori, you like that one? Get that one then. Tori, look.
What am I gonna do with that?
That is so cute for your room. Or this one, since you're doing that. So cute with the pink. Oh,
okay,
Tori.
Let me show you the
these little octagon tables are really cute. If you have like a college apartment, you could kind of put these like as end tables instead of getting actual tables. I think that's super cute.
I'm gonna take the one that I took out of Angela living room. I have one.
And then these little storage bins as well are cute. These are $4. All right, you guys, so another room decor section in 5 and Below. We found these cute, you could hang like pictures of friends and family on here. This is only $5. And then they had these little cute shelf fillers, or you could use them, I would use them as shelf fillers, but they're jewelry trays for $5. These are super cute room shelves. I'm definitely gonna get these for my apartment when I move. Definitely. But if you're in college, it's cute. They have more.
But you can't put it.
Not all who wander are lost. How you feel about this? This is really cute.
I like that. What else is?
Okay. Oh my freaking cute. $4. You gotta get it. Just get one of each and then put them on a It's so cute. $4 in the basket. Cute little candles if you're into that. Just stuff to put on your shelves to make your room look cute. A fake succulent. So cute. Yes. I love the shelving, honestly. And then look at this. Oh my god. They have literally everything, you guys. All for $5. More storage containers. You wanna get the pink one?
Hi, everybody.
Goodbye, boy. Baby, I saw some really cute stuff that we could use in our room as well. Like shelving. Like this. You hang it like that and then you put stuff on it. Or like these ones. Where were they? Look. Could you look? They also have these over the door hooks. They are $3. They have them in different colors. Bed canopies if you want to do something cool like that. They also have these hooks for the wall. I'll probably get one of these for my apartment itself. Home sweet home. That's cute. I have bed sheets. I'm not sure the quality of these sheets, but I mean, you could put them on your dorm bed and just, you know, have hella blankets. That's an option. And they are twin XL. These to just decorate your space, make it more of your own. These are also hooks, so that's pretty cool. Store is low-key for me moving in. If you guys stay tuned to my channel, I'll also be doing shop with me's for my apartment. Like I said, today is more so for dorm room stuff, but I do move in the next 2 weeks, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, let's look around. If you are short and you need a stepping stool for college, Home Goods have them. This one is for, I don't see a price, but they have them. Oh, it's $12. $12. And then they also have shoe racks and organization stuff as well. This is also $12. Where did Tori go? Oh, they also have the small ones for $9. So I'll be buying a lot of fake plants for my apartment, but you can also add them to a dorm room. So they're usually a little bit more expensive, but if you look around, you can find cheaper ones. Where you at? Oh, look at that. How much is it?
$99 sign.
Too expensive for me.
We're gonna invite my mom and them over when we have a house and cook.
When we get our apartment? Yeah. Of course.
That's it. Hey Dana, your sister hit me, so if I conk her head.
This is really cute. To keep organized. Chair is kind of cute. Hold on. This painting is cute too. I'm not gonna lie, it's $20. But I do need a new chair. How much is this one? Alright, let me go back, get on task. Y'all can hang out here. Keep grandma with y'all.
What is it? Let's see if we find a sheet. Your bed?
Okay, y'all. So now we are in that color? No. Now we are in Bed Bath & Beyond, and we are looking for bedding. I think my sister loves this one. because this is the color scheme that she's going for. How much is it? Baby, feel how this, like, this bed just looks so comfy, doesn't it?
Just feel good.
Somebody get grandma out. Grandma, it's time for you to go home. No, she can't. Grandma, come back in Jamaica. Oh my god. Oh, this is the Uggs. I know it's there. This is a. Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying. It's expensive. All right, wait. Where are the sheets that we're looking for? Please. I'm stressed. How much you trying to spend on a comforter? What color are you trying to do?
You know what color I'm trying to do, girl.
In comforter, you want to do gray? You want to do...
No, I want to do this.
As a mattress topper is a must for college dorm rooms because the beds are not comfortable.
You come from Jamaica, I sleep on the front of my phone.
Oh my god. Move. These are $15 if you guys are interested, and they have them in twin XL. So, major key. Alright you guys, so now we are in Ross, which is one of my favorite stores to get really everything, really. So we are looking at some,
get that tear off already.
these blankets. These are $13. They have different kinds. They have a Juicy Couture one that's also $13. 13.
Yeah, 67.
That is crazy. So yeah, if you guys are interested, they have a bunch of pillows.
What's your name here?
Alright you guys, so our second to final stop for tonight is Walmart. Of course you have to hit up Walmart for dorm room essential. My sister is getting this comforter. How much is it?
$21.
Perfect, because we were gonna get the one in Bath and Body Works, but it was how much?
I was gonna get the one in Ross.
Yeah, oh yeah, Ross.
I don't remember, okay?
But yeah, Bath and Body Works, I was gonna say was way more expensive, so we found this in Walmart, and they have different.
Andre, Ali, do me a favor, real quick.
They also have black for the boys if you want black or purple and white.
$21.
Tori, they have the throws right there.
No sir, may I go back in a 5 and below get the other one for $5? Since may I get that one and may I get the other one? Yeah.
Oh my god. What else you need? I'm getting over y'all. I can't.
I'm girl getting over y'all, so hurry up.
I'm getting over her. How about that?
You can't get over her.
How about that?
You got pillow, like, you know, like bed pillow? Like a regular pillow?
Yes, I got regular pillow. What did I sleep on last time?
I don't know where you put that
I
stuff.
got a gray one of these. I got a gray one.
They have shower stuff. More clothing racks and shoe storage for you guys. Wow, black, not white.
Because I'm black.
I'm mad you think Grandma did dollar store for you.
She gonna be heated, boy.
I want this, I want that.
Heated.
Should I get this instead? No, it's $7, I know. I don't want that. Alright.
Look, makeup tray.
Yeah.
No.
No. She ain't got no makeup.
All right, next we have some under. You could put these under your beds.
My name is this.
You could use these as the nightstands to put by your bed as well. Of course, you need hangers. They have these nice colors as well. Quick intermission, trying to see who can hula hoop the best. Tavares right now is in the no, baby, your waist.
I don't know how to do the waist.
Okay, try it again. He had so much talk. Hey, 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 hey. Look at his face, look at his face. Alright, baby, give me.
The way he said, I don't know how to do the waist.
Grandma, you try. Come on, Grandma, ready? Spin it, Grandma. And wine, Grandma, wine.
Look, Grandma, you have to go
Look,
so.
Grandma, see, you
Grandma,
have to
look.
keep this pad on your back.
Then your battery about to die.
I know. I'm trying to go fast.
Oh.
I'm trying.
Yeah, this is the one that people was talking about.
This.